It's supposed to be a place to have fun. The playground is sometimes, however, a place where that doesn't happen.
Well, an Appleton school is trying to join a long list of other schools and put an end to that by teaching children how to resolve playground disputes themselves. Fox 11's Ryan Dietz takes a closer look this evening at the peaceful playground.
Recess used to be just sliding and swinging at Johnston Elementary School in Appleton, but now a program to get more kids involved has them adding hopscotch, foursquare, and jump rope to the mix.
Just like more games that you can play and new games that you can learn.
It's called Peaceful Playgrounds, and more than 8,000 schools nationwide are using the program to teach kids how to solve their disputes on the playground. The idea is to teach kids common rules to more than 100 games so they don't argue over who wins or loses. And if there is a dispute, the judge isn't a supervisor. It's rock, paper, scissors.
When kids all have the same set of rules and same set of expectations of how to play a game, there isn't very many opportunities for the kids to engage in conflict.
Parents at the school wanted to find a way to make better use of the playground, so they turned to the Peaceful Playgrounds program and received grants from the Appleton Education Foundation and the Johnston PTA. Volunteers at Johnston spent 2 weeks during the summer painting games on the blacktop. Parents and teachers say the kids are really grasping the point of the program.
With children taking more ownership of the playground and really taking ownership of problem solving and conflict resolution, they feel better about themselves.
Something that Johnston Elementary School hopes will lead to fewer problems.
They're very fun and entertaining.
And fewer trips to the principal's office. In Appleton, Ryan Dietz, Fox 11 News.
Johnston officials say they still have some work to do on the playground, plan to paint the United States on the blacktop very soon.